Hi guys. The purpose of this video is to kind of give you an overview of this website and to hopefully get you started when you start creating your Google site. So the first thing I need to mention is there are three pillars when you're creating your Google site. And the first one is the whole idea of everything in threes. So you shouldn't have more than three tabs. You shouldn't have more than three sections on your website or on each page and things like that. So just kind of keep that in mind. And of course, simplicity is better than a lot because you got to think you're trying to communicate, and sometimes simple communication is a lot more effective and straight to the point. So, what I wanted to do is kind of show you a real quick video on how to do this. So right here where it says template, if you need a template, you can click here. And this gives you the district template or the website to the district template that we used when all the people at the Backpack Ignite started creating their websites. So as you can see, what you do is you copy the teacher home base and then you make a copy. So you push that button and wait for it to load. Once it loads, this is where I'm not grabbing it. So there we go. Okay. So, sorry, I pushed the wrong thing. What you do is you go to make a copy, and then when it creates the copy, that will be the one that you're able to utilize and you're able to change and everything like that. Okay. Before you get started, I really hope you look at some of the models and different examples and things like that and get an idea of what you want. So, the very first thing when I'm thinking, oh, I'm going to create this website and it's for the school, I will tell you a trick that will save you time, and that is to go ahead and upload the logo because it will automatically match your colors to it. So, how you do that? Um, is you go to this little tool thingy device and where it goes down to branded images, you go to upload your logo, and this is where you want to make sure that you save our cardinal head as your image. I just have to find it. It's been a while. If it's recent, it'll be right up at the top. Unfortunately, it's been a while since I've done this. So, what I would do is go ahead and upload that. Now, the benefit of this is it will automatically pull the two colors, our school colors, and you can choose those for the baseline of your for your for the baseline of your website. So let's say I wanted to do blue that matches it. I could choose that. Or if I wanted red, you can see how it changes the color over here and whatnot. Okay. So you have those two choices. There's also an announcement banner. So if you want something at the top, you can do that as well. Maybe you want something, you could do like a tutorial or video that kind of talks about how you navigate the website, anything that would be kind of beneficial for people to find. If you do a video though, you'll have to link it and put what you want the button to be called. Okay. So that kind of gives you a start of how it looks. Of course, there are three areas. So start thinking about what you want in those three areas. When you come up with a heading, the biggest thing that is asked is that you don't just put like I would put Mrs. Jones class, because that really makes it sound like it's just my class, and it isn't. So think of some way that is more inviting and shows that it's more of a collaborative classroom between you and the students. That was something that was asked about. But this gets you started on creating it, and you can kind of go through some really cool things that it talks about, or it has your template of the information that's necessary. If you go to pages, you can click on these and find your information as well. So it's really beneficial to use the template.